Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful Christmas ring. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a sturdy wreath base, perhaps a wire or grapevine form, and some 22 or 24 gauge floral wire. Don't forget your trusty secateurs and wire cutters. For greenery, forage for fresh evergreens like pine, cedar, or eucalyptus. Having all your materials ready makes the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's build the lush greenery base for your Christmas ring. Take small bundles of your chosen evergreens, each about 6 to 8 inches in length. Lay the first bundle on your wreath base and secure it firmly with floral wire, wrapping it 2 or 3 times. Continue this process, overlapping each new bundle to cover the stems of the previous one. Work your way around the entire base, ensuring a full and even coverage for a truly beautiful foundation. With your greenery base complete, it's time for the fun part, decorating. This is where your creativity shines. Consider adding natural elements like pine cones, cinnamon sticks, or dried orange slices for a rustic touch. Berry sprigs and festive ribbons can add pops of color. Secure larger items with floral wire, wrapping it around the stems and the wreath base. For smaller ornaments or delicate pieces, a dab of hot glue works wonderfully to keep everything in place. Aim for a balanced and visually appealing design. As you near completion, take a moment to inspect your Christmas ring. Check for any loose greenery or decorations and secure them. Trim away any excess floral wire or stray foliage to give your ring a polished, neat appearance. Finally, attach a sturdy hanging loop, perhaps made from extra floral wire or a strong ribbon. Now, find the perfect prominent spot in your home to display your magnificent, handmade Christmas ring for everyone to admire. Enjoy your festive creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.